Under the Monitor Data tab, we can add tables, grids, or graphs. So I will add a graph to show what has been logged with our stage value here. And I'm going to tell it to go back 12 hours. So there we see our stage value for the last 12 hours in the graph form. We can always add to the graph if I wanted to go farther. You'll notice here I don't have data for that much time, but it will show what you do have. I can add in other values. So if I wanted to have the rainfall in here also, I could come in and add the rainfall in, and I'm keeping it on the same axis. So there's our stage value up here, and there's our rain down here. I can delete either one of those if I want by just clicking the red button. So get rid of stage, or get rid of rain, apply it, and I'm back to just my stage. I can delete it. I can add a grid of our main data. So there's our 15-minute data, and I'll go 1 day. I know I don't have 1 day's worth, but it will show what I do have. So from 6 p.m. last night till 8:45 today, I see all my data. So stage, my rain, my battery voltage, the record number. If I have these graphs or grids set up and I come back to the dashboard or to the configuration, if I come back over to the data monitor, whatever I had set up will still be there. Then I can delete it if I like to. This is also the main place you're going to come to collect data. So to collect data is a simple process by clicking the Collect Data button. Tell it what data I want to collect. And this is the min 15, which is 15-minute data. I want to do an ASCII file. So this is an ASCII format 5. All data, and tell it to collect. It'll come up with a dialog box here that's very familiar in Windows. It'll allow me to rename it if I'd like, and to change the folder where it's going to be saved. Tell it to save, and it will be saved for you. These other files, the status, the history of the 475, the rain gauge simulation history, GO status, all have good information and may be looked at another time, or may be asked by a service personnel to have you send that file in to us for diagnostics. But in most cases, the one that you're wanting to deal with is the minute 15 data.